I have had a long experience with Dr. M.S. Swaminathan as well as this institute. When I joined as a young scientist in 1978 as an agriculture research scientist, what we call ERS, which was again the brainchild of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan to bring the young scientist into the agriculture research. I was one of the few persons in the third batch along with Dr. Ayyappan and others to come to the scientific fold. And Dr. M.S. Swaminathan at that time was the Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research. His talks are as gentle as though he is just rocking a cradle, but at the same time some of the policy framework and the guidelines that he provides to the persons at large are of insurmountable value. That is what translated and differentiated Indian agriculture from other developing countries, which laid the edifice. Today, if we call whether it is our achievement in space, whether achievement in science and technology, or if India is one of the world's largest emerging economical power, the foundation of it was in food security and to a great extent in nutritional security, ushered through the efforts of Dr. Swaminathan, his colleagues, along with the great visionary Dr. Norman Borlaug. His institute, MS Swaminathan Research Foundation, that he laid the foundations 30 years ago, has championed the cause of fundamental research, and more so, Dr. Swaminathan was one of those scientists who foresaw the need for ecological intervention in addition to agricultural science. Whether it was the tsunami disaster that hit this particular region, or whether it is climate change, or whether it is nutrient sensitive millets, his contribution from the food security to nutritional security to economic security to the livelihood security, and also through ecological sustainability, there are very few parallels in the entire world. And we look Dr. Swaminathan to provide, and the foundation to provide in the coming years, solutions to the sustainability, solutions to ecological sustainability, solutions to ecosystem services, and scientific or a science-led agriculture which combines environment, ecology, agriculture, nutrition and food security. This is what we would like to do, and this is especially true for the vast continent of Africa, South Asia, Sub-Saharan Africa, Latin America. They are the regions where this institute, everybody is looking forward to for scientific pathways of progress.